Your deep voice gives color.
No.
Oh, there's a ladybug in there, man. Can you see?
We've got baby spinach over here, and we've got Swiss chard over here. And this is our very first spinach harvest.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home.
Hello, friends. Today we are harvesting the spinach. Okay, I'm starting with the baby spinach. It's grown so big. Can't even tell which is baby spinach, which is not. Okay. Why is the sun on and off? Oh, look how beautiful this one is, man. It's so pretty. It wasn't eaten. You're so pretty. Girl, you're so pretty. Okay. Oh, what happened to you, Mama? You didn't thrive. What happened to you? This is another pretty one. Here. Is this a cabbage pizza? Okay. Oh, this one is also so nice. Look at this one. Don't you want to harvest also, Manelis? No. Okay. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold.
Small is cold.
It's in the morning, that's why. Ah! Okay. So, this is what I have. I'll show you guys when I'm done harvesting the baby spinach. So, I don't want to make the video too long. So, I'll show you when I'm done. Now for the main event. The main event. Oh, there's a ladybug in there, man. Can you see? There's a ladybug. There's a ladybug. Oh, so cute. Okay. So remember, guys, this is just a trim. Okay. In about 2 weeks, the spinach will be back. The leaves grow even bigger than this. Look how shiny this is. Just look at these, guys. Please try gardening, please. Okay, that's enough for a trim. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Over here. Remember, I'm just trimming. I'm still gonna do the main events in about 2 weeks. This is just to encourage the spinach to start growing. When you pick, you encourage more growth. Okay. I'm probably gonna put music at this point in order to not bore you. How do I stand? How do I stand? Manadisi, where's your deep voice? You know?
Why are you always so wrong?
Your deep voice gives color.
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm dropping it. Okay, this has sand because I was taking out the weeds yesterday. So we are not doing too much. We are just trimming to encourage more growth. See, I've got a full bunch here now. Okay, now for my second bunch. Pause. Oh. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay together?
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
This is also a full bunch now.
I watch
I'm
you
gonna have
as
3
you sleep.
bunches.
You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite
This is my second bunch. I cannot
just to
hold it
wake
anymore.
when
Pause.
I dance around. I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Sense.
Forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Trimming.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
I think that's it,
together? If
guys.
I could stop the
That
time,
is
don't you
it.
know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. As you can see, we've got baby spinach over here, and we've got Swiss chard over here. And this is our very first spinach harvest. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you next time, friends.